So guys, since I'm going to be starting up, hopefully it becomes a successful YouTube channel around here in good old southern Ohio. I'm out here at Roosevelt Lake just messing around. I was already at Turkey Creek Lake this morning and I caught only one fish. Right before I started filming, I caught one that was actually not a bad sized fish for this lake, considering that 2 years ago they restocked it. So hopefully we can catch some more fish here for you. Not very good at filming, so anyone who watches this, just give me a moment. I'll get better at it. Plus, I'm filming from my phone, so it's not exactly the best. I'm pretty much the only one out here on this lake, which, I mean, it's 1 o'clock in the evening. Afternoon, I should say. It's pretty hot outside, the sun's out, but there is a nice little breeze, too. Oh. I'm over here throwing just a basic old Texas rigged worm. Nothing crazy. That's what these fish in these small lakes like. It's really easy and simple to do and use. Anyone can fish one. Oh, there's a bite. But more than likely it's just a bluegill. I don't know how well you guys are able to see me, because I know right now I don't see myself because the sun is shining. But I guess we'll find out later. I'm not really too worried about doing any extra editing. This is just me messing around. So, like I said, bear with me, because I plan on making something really good out of this one day in the future. Looks like there's a couple people in this shallow part on a paddle, but they can't go any further because it's too shallow back there. However, since I'm in a kayak, I can get back to where a lot of people can't get to. And that's just one of the many perks of having a kayak. Really been enjoying myself here lately, since I'm on vacation from work, which is really nice. Don't get to do that but once a year, so I'm taking advantage of it, fishing my life away. If I don't talk a lot and it's just a blank stare, just ignore me. I'm trying to focus on where I'm casting my line at. I was out here last week bank fishing and I caught about 6 fish. With a kayak I should be able to catch about 6 more, but who knows? We'll keep trying, that's all I know. I don't give up easily. There's all kinds of fish jumping up around me, but they're just teasing me. Oh. The really fun part with a kayak is trying to figure out how to fish and row at the same time. That's a really fun one, trying to keep yourself out of the trees and out of the weeds. But I'll get better at it. One step at a time, they say. I'm not going to go back up in this cove yet just because those girls are back there on a paddle boat and they've probably spooked all the fish back there. So, I'm going to turn back around. Try across the lake. There's a lot of rocky areas over there. Okay guys, well I'm back. My phone overheated because of the sun. And of course, I caught a fish. But it is what it is. I gotta definitely come up with something, either another camera or something to help protect my phone from the sun, because what's the point trying to film videos if it's just gonna keep overheating? Luckily right now the sun's kinda gone behind the clouds. I say that and it'll pop right back out. Oh yeah, there it is. Bright as day. But yeah, I found this brush pile over here and caught one little guy, but still, fish is a fish to me unless you're competing. But right now I'm just having fun, so a fish is a fish. I don't know how long my camera will last until the sun hits it again. I need to try to make it over to some shade. Oh. These people over here probably hear me and they're probably wondering why I'm talking to myself. Joke's on them, I talk to myself all the time. This time I just have an excuse. By the way, in all my videos there will be sarcastic jokes, corny jokes, stupid jokes, anything like that. I say stupid stuff, I say random stuff, but as long as someone's getting a laugh out of it, I guess I'm doing my job, right? I mean, come on. 2 greatest things, laughing and fishing. You can't go wrong. That paddle boat squeaks like there's no tomorrow. They need to put some WD-40 on the thing. Oh. This is what I'm fishing. Just a little, it's basically a trick worm, which is a soft plastic worm-like bait. It's the collar's green pumpkin. I find that in these lakes here, it's more natural. And that's what these fish go after.